Yun na.
Cause, ito. Okay, cheers.
Good evening ka. Ay, mag-good afternoon ka muna.
Good afternoon to all of you, my friends, and other kinds of...
So gusto mo, Eli, magdumano sa Nakay Talks?
Sino yung aktivista dito? Ayun, palakpakan po natin sarili natin. You know, when I was 6 years old,
Oh, James?
I was learned and so many lessons that I've learned. You know why? Because when in history subject, when Magellan discovered Earth, it is round. You know, that's why I have to compose Earth that are round, like this before. O aking mundo, o aking mundo, isinilang sa bayang ito.
Wala ba kayong mga kamay?
Bakit kaya ako'y inulila? Kala mo. Thank you very much. Yeah, sample lang yun. Kasi unang hirit pa lang ito ng aking kanta eh. Marami pa tayong kakantahin. You know why? You know, when you see your surroundings, there's so many green. Like marijuana, you know, marijuana. Gumagamit na kayo doon? Ako hindi eh. Kayo lang eh. May kilala ko dun sa amin, pangalan niya Dundun. Pangalan niya Dundun eh.
Pag-isingin eh, matapos lang pagkanta kayo.
Lagi na lang ano eh, titira siya doon. Pero halimbawa na rin yun sa ating buhay kasi mali din yung paggamit niya. Pero nakakahilom niya ng sugat. Ano ba yun? Sa kanta kong awiting to?
English? So, English
English nga to eh. You know why? Sometimes there's kinds of anatomy, you know. That's when you see our moral lesson from this night.
Answering machine, answering machine.
May ano nga pala dito, may request para sa song dito. Ito. Dahil nabasa ko, bangkeroan, tulisan.
Ito may request
Ito pala. May request na sa ating audience. Ito. Galing pa ng Fortune International ta. Extra filter pa ta. Dati ko itong, ano eh, cigarettes brand. Bangkeroan, tulisan at saka ano, answer the machinery. Okay, tutugtugin natin yan. Itong una. Ano ba yan? Answer the call.
I-explain mo sa ano, sa nani, sa mga tao.
When I was in Jakarta, sometimes in New York, you know why? When I was in New York, in Massachusetts, State of America, I have some things.
Yung mga, idedicate mo pa para sa mga businessman. Yan.
Those businessmen and other kinds of
Yung dati pang journalist.
agrarian reforms. Because this is very important to them and from us. Okay, I have song for this.
This song.
When I was walking around the seashores, I'll explain those memories. One day, isang araw. One day, isang araw. You know why? Under the sea, under the sky, machinery. Pega ko! Under the sky, machinery. Oh, aking bayan, iwan mundo. And I was walking around the seashore.
Gusto ko na lubusin mo.
I was walking. I saw people who was talking about me. I saw this woman who had crushed on me. I said, it's gone, machinery. I said, it's gone, machinery. You know? Alam mo yung kanta yan? Yung nabobolol. Alam mo sa English niyan? Blurring. Hindi kasi nila kinakanta. Meron pa bang ibang banda dito? Wala na. Wala lang pala eh.
Oh, yeah, I was a
Padala
journalist.
dito sa ano. Padala natin yung
When I
sa...
was a journalist.
Oh, when I was journalist, I have age 16 years old in parts of the sun. You know why? I was
Tubig,
wrote.
tubig.
I was wrote. Kalang tubig tayo eh. I was
For water,
wrote
please.
very kinds of peace. You know, my man. Ayun na, tawa tayo gano'n. Pakilala kaya pala. Dito ka, dito ka.
Sige na, Megs. Sige na, Megs.
May pakilala pala.
Sige, saan magiran, Megs? Ano ang pangalan mo?
May pakilala dito pala. Si Aaron Bastos. Ayun lang natawa. Kaya meron din ako. Kasi kasama ko na sa banda. Kaya lang, iwan yun yung kubing niya. Dito ka. Dito ka.
Huwag na.
Dali lang. Dito ka nga. Tinatawag ka na nga. Concert fee eh. Ito pala si Aaron ka na, Solomon. Oo. Ito yung
Ayan.
barkada ko doon. Siyang umawak
Dedicate
ng
mo sa
kubing.
mga wildlife.
At saka yung ano namin, yung ethnic colors yung iwan sa ano, Rosada. You know, kung makakarating kayo ng ano, when you're around in parts of Legazpi in wildlife, you see many kinds of animals, you know, like birds, fish, and other kinds of ethnic colors.
7 minutes, magsugod na. May napisar na ng kanta, last na. Ito matatapos na ang concert mo.
Okay, matapos na lagi kasi
Ito, last
tapos
song
na
na lang.
aking trabaho. Ito na last song. Ito ay kinumpos ko nung ako'y bata pa.
Yung mga makasgas. Oh, ito. Ring.
Aking bayan, iniwan. Oo, aking bayan, iniwan. Bakit kaya ako iniwan? Aking gulat ko.
Tingnan natin ang flippings.
When I was lost. Mga ganito, ba?
Hindi, pagpatuloy mo pare. Pagpatuloy mo pare, pagpatuloy mo pare.
Nandun kasi yung bass drum.
Hindi ba
Hindi mo sunod.
Di man na just mail.
Eh, patuloy tayo sa kantahan natin.
Sige, sige pare.
Sige, last song muna, last song.
Ito na sa mga...
Makas ka sa tabi, asan yung machine lang? Asan yung machine? Ginto rin mo. Ni? Matang, may nagdana kita. Meron rin ako nagkataw. Saan ka matapos?
When I was walking
Kasi ito. Saan ka natin?
in Alberta.
Kasi natin.
Oh my goodness.
Oo.
Pero nanaros ko sa bago.
Like a feeling. I don't see machinery. You know it, my was walking around. I just called machinery. I just called machinery. When was just walking in that is pigeons. Coconut shells and reptiles. I heard some talking heads, talking and reptiles.
Pamara. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hindi, mga ibaba pa.
Congratulations, Parex.
Oh, gano'n.
Salamat
You're idol.
pakikinig sa akin.
Sige na, ako na. You're the idol, you're the idol.
Yung pala, naka-release na yung...
Uy, uy, pare. You're the idol. Sige na. Sige na.
Dit pa.
Salamat po sa pakikinig ninyo. Joey Ayala po, Mandirigma.
Sige na, sige na.
Yan!
Joey Ayala.
Sige na, sige na. Okay, answer ng machine, answer ng machine. Answering machine ha?
Answering machine!